For question number 10, okay. Now, what I want to emphasize for number 10 is this. Now, you have a lot of stuff on the right-hand side, which is fine, okay? So when you break it down, so you have x plus 6 equals to the normal version of it. And then we say, or x plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 7, which is the negative of the right-hand side. So that's why you have 2x minus 7, because negative of negative 2x, it's positive 2x. And then negative of positive 7, it's minus 7. And then you just go ahead and do the usual thing. And a lot of students, they somehow make careless mistakes when they do this. So make sure you don't make careless mistakes. So x is equal to 1/3. And then on the other side, we have negative x is equal to negative 13, and therefore x is equal to 13. And then we say, yay! Are we done? Why not? Yeah, check for extraneous. So now the other thing that I would say, it's because you have an x right here in the not included in the absolute value expression. That means you want to find out if there's a chance that the right-hand side would ever become negative, because we don't want it. Okay, we don't want it to be negative. So you plug it back in, okay, or you can just plug the whole thing in to these x's and find out what they are. And if you do that, you find out that 1/3, it's good. Okay, 1/3, it's good because you have 6 1/3 inside the absolute expression. And then you have negative 2/3 plus 7, which is 6 1/3. So 1/3 is good. But then when you check 13, when you put in right here, that thing's got really crazy here, because if you have negative 26 plus 7, that is equal to negative 19. And you cannot have an absolute value expression that's equal to a negative. So that's how we say this 13 is extraneous. Okay, so whenever you do an absolute value function, you should investigate if there's a possibility of having an extraneous solution. And usually extraneous solution happens when we have x outside of the absolute value expression. So you want to see if somehow things would not work. Okay, even though you got an answer, but that might not be a solution.